Welcome to Kettle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to implement multimodal in GenAI. Let's get started. Multimodal AI transforms property inspection by integrating vision, audio, sensor data, and text analysis. Like a skilled inspector, utilizing multiple senses, it combines LLM intelligence with diverse data inputs to deliver comprehensive assessments, from structural analysis to environmental monitoring, offering human-like expertise with machine-level precision. Let's check this simple flow to understand how it works. Our system begins with four key inputs: visual data to capture structural defects and damages, audio inputs to detect unusual sounds from systems, IoT sensors to monitor environmental conditions, text processors to analyze historical documentation. The AI brain processes these inputs through specialized transformers for each data type, a feature fusion module combining all insights, an LLM multimodal engine for comprehensive analysis. Next, the system performs three critical functions: real-time defect detection, risk assessment for preventive maintenance, AI-driven maintenance planning and scheduling. Finally, results are delivered through interactive dashboards for real-time monitoring, detailed PDF reports with AI recommendations, instant alerts for critical issues. The code implements an automated home inspector system using OpenAI GPT-40 model designed to analyze conditions and provide professional assessments. The system is built on Fast API, which handles image uploads and processes them for analysis. It integrates with GPT-40 to provide expert-level inspection insights, similar to those of a professional home inspector. When an image is uploaded, the system processes it and sends it to GPT-40. The AI analyzes the image like a professional inspector would, identifying defects, suggesting repairs, and rating the overall condition. The response is then formatted into a structured JSON report. The API expects input in the form of an image and its corresponding category. Let's test the system with an image of a ceiling. Here is the damaged ceiling image we will upload. We upload the image along with the property attribute, which in this case is ceiling. Upon uploading, GPT-40 examines the image and returns a detailed inspection report, highlighting issues such as water damage or mold, providing repair recommendations, and assigning a quality rating just as a human inspector would. By integrating multimodal capabilities, generative AI can deliver advanced solutions like the Comprehensive Property Inspector and Energy Efficiency Analyzer. These systems combine visual, textual, and sensor-based data to produce detailed insights. Whether analyzing property conditions or improving energy efficiency, the outputs provide actionable recommendations for better maintenance and performance optimization. Stay tuned for more tutorials on GenAI. Thanks for watching.